In this video, we will have a look at the node system in Plan Studio, what they are, and how you can use them to edit the objects you draw. All objects in Plan Studio are drawn by using one of the two different variations of the node system. There are path nodes, used to draw all linear objects with a centerline, such as walls and stairs, and area nodes, used for drawing and editing the shape of zones and other objects with a fill. Path nodes are used on all objects that are drawn around a centerline, such as walls, bifold doors, stairs, detail lines, navmesh, and networks. If you select one of these items, such as a wall, and then switch to the manipulator arrow, you will be able to see the centerline and the different nodes for that object. Here, you'll be able to see all the different ways you can edit the wall by using the nodes. Starting at the end, you will have the extension nodes, used for adding on additional segments of wall, or to extend and add additional sections of stairs. Next you have the end node. These can be used to change the length or the angle of the object, or to snap to another object. Moving in from there, you have the toggles. Toggles allow you to curve the object around the center line. Once you have a curve using the toggles, a Change Node Type button will appear that can be used to straighten out the section of wall you just curved. In the center of a wall or any object using the Path Node system, you can add a new point to the center of the line. Depending on the object, you will either break the path up in the case of a wall, or add a new segment to the middle if using bifold doors, stairs, or detail lines. Once you have added a new segment, you will then have another new option appear to delete the node you currently have selected with the Delete Node button. When editing nodes, you can also click on the center line to highlight the whole center line and move it along an axis to maintain the position of the other nodes. The other node system is the area nodes. By drawing in a closed system like a zone, you will be able to see all the nodes at the corners of the object. You can grab one of these nodes and change the shape of the area, or add a new side to the object by selecting the center node to add in a new point. Here you will also have the options to add a curve by using the toggles, straighten the line with the Change Node Type button, or remove a node with the Delete Node button. With area nodes, you can again click on one of these lines to allow you to move the whole edge of the zone at once to maintain the position of the other nodes. For area nodes, there is also another option for editing the shape called Grow Mode. By clicking on one of the center nodes, the node will change appearance, and you will then be able to place a new node anywhere you click on the plan. If you have snapping turned on, this will snap to the edges of any walls or any other items on the plan. Using this mode, you can quickly select all the points or corners of walls on your floor plan to expand the zone to fill the shape. These are the main two drawing systems in Plan Studio. By using and understanding these systems, you will be able to draw and create any objects you require.